Problems on safe stopping side distance or SSD. Here the design speed of the vehicle is 50 kmph. We know the formula. SSD is equal to Vt plus V square by 2gf. Vt plus V square by 2gf if it is in meter per second. 0.278 Vt plus V square by 254f if the speed is in terms of kmph. Here we solved the board. 50 divided by 3.6, you will get 13.9 meter per second in terms of kmph, sorry, meter per second, and 0.278 Vt plus V square by 254 of 16.14, it is in terms of kmph. Here V is in terms of 50, here the V is 13.9. For two-way traffic two-lane road, direct 61.4 meters, two-way traffic single lane road, it will 2 times of SSD, 2 into 61.4, 122.8 meters. Next problem, calculate the headlight side distance for the design speed of next problems. Calculate the SSD required to avoid the head-on collision of two cars approaching from opposite direction. Two cars are traveling at 90 kmph and 60 kmph. Assume t is equal to 2.5 seconds. Coefficient of friction is 0.7. Brake efficiency 50% for both the vehicles. Both the vehicles, this is same. So for first vehicle, V is 90 kmph, Vt is 60 kmph. If you convert in terms of meter per second, 25 and 16.67 meter per second. As the brake efficiency is 50%, remaining 50%, the vehicles will skid. Vehicles will skid through the remaining 50%. So the friction F is equal to 0.5 into 0.7. So two vehicles V1 and V2, 153.6 and 82.2 meters. Assume two vehicles are passing. This is V1 and this is V2. Two vehicles are coming from opposite direction. This is my second vehicle. This is my second vehicle and this is my first vehicles. Both are coming from opposite direction. They have to, if in this location both the vehicles will come, what happens? The collision happens. So to avoid the head-on collision, if both the vehicles brakes, this is SSD and this is also SSD. This is the minimum distance required to stop the vehicle. Minimum distance required to stop the vehicle. So to avoid the head-on collision, the distance required is SSD1 plus SSD. To avoid the head-on collision, SSD1 plus SSD2. SSD1 plus SSD2 is 235.8 meters. 235.8 meters. Next, calculate the stopping side distance in the descending gradient 2%. Design speed is 80 kmph. We know the formula Vt plus V square by 2g, F plus or minus m. F we take 0.35, 2% because it is the downward gradients, minus 0.02. Minus 0.02, 22.2 into 2.5 plus 22.2 square, 2 into 9.8. 0.35 minus 0.02, you will get 132 meters. Next one, design speed 60 kmph, rising gradient. Then F plus N. 1 divided by 40, 2.5%, 0.025. Here, instead of minus N, plus N, you will get 79.5 meters. Here, one of the important problem, two vehicles A and B moving in the same direction with the speed of 100 kmph. Vehicle A brake efficiency is 70%, B is 50% respectively. an object is seen by both the drivers approximately 250 meters. Which vehicle will meet with an accident? That means if both the vehicles apply the brake, which vehicle will go and hit the object at the distance of 250 meters? If the accident is to be avoided, what is the brake efficiency required? First we will know the data. Both the vehicle, design speed 100 kmph or the traveling speed is 100 kmph. Lag distance V into T. V into T, both the it is same, 69.5 meters. Braking distance we have to calculate V square by 2Gn. Here N is the braking efficiency 70%. Here it is 0.7, here it is 0.5. Instead of 2Gf, here I am using 2Gn. So yes, braking distance here it is 56.32 meters. Here it is 78.86, 148.36 meters. Of course, this braking efficiency is lesser. That's why the vehicle is traveling at the higher distance. So which vehicle will meet with the accident? None of the vehicle will meet with the accident. Why? Because both the vehicles are stopping at 125 meters and 148 meters. The object is at 250 meters. So none of the vehicle will meet with the accident. What is the braking efficiency? Second part, braking efficiency required to avoid the head-on collision. SSD is equal to Vt plus V square by 2Gn. 250 is the distance I have to stop the vehicle. 69.5 is the lag distance. Design speed is again same 100 kmph. 27.8 square, it is in terms of meter per second. You calculate the N, that is the braking efficiency required is 21.8% or 22%. Here, SSD required to avoid the head-on collision when two cars approaching from opposite direction on 2.5% gradient with the speeds 90 kmph and 70 kmph. T is equal to 2.5 seconds. F is 0.35. Here, one vehicle you have to assume ascending, one vehicle you have to assume descending. Why I assumed ascending 70 kmph? You require more stopping side distance for 90 kmph and you require the most stopping side distance while you are coming down or whenever you are descending the gradient. That's why V2 we took as 90 kmph, V1 70 kmph. Here in the question he has not given ascending or descending. Whichever is the higher value is the descending, lower value is the ascending. Here ascending minus 2.5%, here plus 2.5. You will get the values. SSD 1 is 100 meters, SSD 2 is 160 meters. So to avoid the head-on collision, the total distance required is 260.67 meters.